10 things to do once you get paid. Most people can't wait until they get paid, for they've already planned a list of activities they would like to share with their friends and family. Although such thinking can be good or even motivational, what they seem to forget is that before the fun, necessities that need to be handled. That includes a limit to paying for rent, paying for electricity, paying for insurance, shopping for groceries, and more. Such needs are what typically truncates one's budget, thus leaving the vast majority of the population with little to nothing to spend on entertainment, family, and personal time. However, what can be observed is that though working very hard for their money, most people just don't seem to make enough to cover their necessities. Furthermore, due to lack of financial education, they tend to make irrational decisions, leading them into an abyss of debts, stress, and regrets. And a big part of financial issues comes from not knowing how to manage your money, overspending it on unnecessary things, and never prioritizing the essentials. Although there exists multiple ways that one can use to reduce his or her financial struggles, here are just 10 things you should start doing as soon as you get paid. Number 1. Pay yourself first. Before paying anyone or anything else, once money has been deposited in your account from your employer, take about 1% to 20% of your check and set it aside on a separate bank account, preferably a high-yield savings or checkings account. Number 2. Avoid all impulsive buys. Don't spend money on the latest designer t-shirts, jackets, shoes, or belts. Don't spend that money on the new car that just came out. Don't spend money on jewelry, trying to look like your favorite entertainer. Instead, keep those bills in your savings account and start looking for ways to make that money make you more money. Number 3. Pay off your debts. You should have a list, or at least make a list of all your debts, organized balances, and APRs. Start by paying off the debts with the high APR, then follow with the ones of lowest APRs. Paying off the debt with the highest APR will give you the most money because you are paying the most to carry a balance. Once debt-free, you'll realize that the money set aside to pay debts from your budget is now additional cash that can be used towards investing, shopping, traveling, or even donating. Number 4. Go grocery shopping. Contrary, eating out is more expensive than eating at home. In fact, the amount of money spent on an average breakfast at a restaurant can create an entire week of breakfasts for a household. Grocery shopping doesn't only help you save money, it is also a healthier alternative to fast food. Number 5. Keep your earnings to yourself. Don't post your earnings on it. Don't let your friends or family know that you got paid. Go around blabbering about how rich you are. People will gladly help you spend your money without a care. However, they will never volunteer to help you make more money. Moreover, the majority wouldn't even bother to see if your bills are paid, nor what your plans were for that money. Number 6. Pay your bills. Okay, if you don't pay your rent, chances are you will become homeless. If you don't pay your electricity bill, you won't be able to cook, shower, watch TV, do homework, and more. If you don't pay your insurance, you won't be legally allowed to drive your vehicles. If you don't pay your mortgage, the government can repossess your property. Number 7. Create an emergency fund. Everyone should have an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of regular expenses. It comes handy in moments of financial setbacks, such as a job loss or a medical emergency. Ideally, this fund should be kept away from your regular checkings or savings account. You should consider using a high yield savings account, a certificate of deposit, or a money market account. Number 8. Avoid loaning money to people. Don't loan money to friends or certain family members, especially to those with bad spending habits. The saying goes, it's easy to lend money to people, however, it is very difficult to get it back from them. Number 9. Save for an upcoming purchase. If you are planning on making a big purchase in the nearest future, you should start working on it now. Say you are saving for a new car, a home, or contributing to a retirement account. You should allocate a portion of your paycheck towards that goal all year long. Number 10. Set aside money for fun. You should set a reasonable amount of money for your entertainment. Only this money is to be used towards the activities you enjoy doing outside of work. If you happen to have a surplus after having enjoyed all your activities, you should put that money in a high yield checking or savings account and repeat the cycle. Remember, a big part of financial issues comes from not knowing how to manage your money, overspending it on unnecessary things, and never prioritizing the essentials. Although there exist multiple ways that one can use to reduce his or her financial struggles, the 10 tips shared above are guaranteed to help you prevent a fall into a financial hole. The end. Thank you.